How to generate custom Instagram chat themes. Want to give your Instagram chats a fresh and personalized look? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to generate and apply custom Instagram chat themes in just a few simple steps. First, open your Instagram app and tap on the messages icon in the top right corner. Next, choose the chat you want to customize. Now, tap on the chat name or the info icon to open chat settings. Scroll down and select Themes. Here, you'll find a variety of pre-designed themes by Instagram. If Instagram offers a customize option, tap on it to create your own theme. Choose your preferred colors and gradients to personalize your chat. Once you're happy with your selection, tap Apply, and your chat will instantly update with your new custom theme. And that's it. Your Instagram chat now has a unique and stylish look. Want more Instagram customization tips? Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more awesome tutorials.